Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install printer drivers in Windows using HP Smart Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your HP printer is powered on and connected to your computer via USB or on the same Wi-Fi network. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the official HP Smart website. Once on the website, locate the download link for the HP Smart app. Click on the download link to start the downloading process. After the download completes, locate the downloaded file in your computer's file system. Open the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the HP Smart app on your computer. Once installed, launch the HP Smart application. If prompted, sign in with your HP account or create a new one. In the HP Smart app, click on the plus symbol to add a new printer. The app will search for available printers on the network. When your printer appears in the list, select it to proceed. The HP Smart app may prompt you to install necessary drivers. Follow the prompts to download and install the printer drivers. Once the installation is complete, the app will confirm that your printer is ready to use. You can now print a test page to verify the installation. If the test print is successful, you can start using your printer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.